Fungal infections in dogs are more common than many people realize. These infections can range from mild skin irritations to serious systemic illnesses. It's important to understand the risks that fungal infections pose to our canine companions. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for ensuring a dog's well-being. Prevention is always the best medicine. We owe it to our dogs to be informed about fungal infections. This knowledge will help us keep them safe and healthy. Fungal infections can be dangerous for dogs, especially those with weakened immune systems. Fungi are opportunistic organisms. This means they are more likely to cause infection when a dog's defenses are down. One of the most significant dangers of fungal infections is their ability to spread systemically. This means the infection can move from the initial site to other parts of the body, including vital organs. Systemic fungal infections can be life-threatening if not caught and treated early. Dogs with compromised immune systems, such as puppies, senior dogs, and those with underlying health conditions, are particularly vulnerable to severe fungal infections. Fungal infections in dogs can be broadly categorized into two types: localized and systemic. Localized infections, as the name suggests, are confined to a specific area, typically the skin or ears. Ringworm, a highly contagious fungal infection, often manifests as circular, scaly patches on a dog's skin, while yeast infections caused by an overgrowth of yeast can lead to itchy, inflamed ears and skin folds. On the other hand, systemic fungal infections affect internal organs and can be much more serious. Histoplasmosis, caused by a fungus found in soil contaminated with bird or bat droppings, can affect the lungs, lymph nodes, and other organs. Blastomycosis, another soil-borne fungal infection, can lead to respiratory problems, skin lesions, and even blindness. Preventing fungal infections is always preferable to treating them. Here are some practical tips to help reduce your dog's risk. Boost your dog's immune system through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and reduced stress. Manage underlying health conditions that can weaken the immune system. Keep your dog's living environment clean and dry. Regularly clean and disinfect their bedding, food and water bowls, and toys. Avoid areas where fungi are likely to thrive, such as damp soil, piles of leaves, and bird droppings. If your dog is at high risk of fungal infections, consult your veterinarian about preventative antifungal medications. Early detection of fungal infections is crucial for effective treatment. Be vigilant and watch out for these common symptoms. Skin changes. Look for circular, scaly patches, redness, itching, hair loss, and darkened skin. Ear infections. These often present as redness, swelling, discharge, odor, head shaking, and ear scratching. Respiratory problems. Coughing, difficulty breathing, wheezing, and nasal discharge can be signs of respiratory fungal infections. Neurological issues, seizures, tremors, head tilt, and circling can indicate a fungal infection affecting the nervous system. General signs of unwellness, lethargy, loss of appetite, weight loss, and fever can be symptoms of various health problems, including fungal infections. If you notice any of the symptoms mentioned above, it's essential to seek veterinary care immediately. The veterinarian will conduct a thorough physical examination and may recommend diagnostic tests such as skin scrapings, fungal cultures, blood tests, or X-rays to confirm the diagnosis and determine the type of fungal infection. Treatment for fungal infections typically involves antifungal medications, which may be administered orally, topically, or in severe cases, intravenously. The duration of treatment varies depending on the type and severity of the infection. Be sure to follow your veterinarian's instructions carefully and complete the full course of medication, even if your dog's symptoms improve before the treatment is over. Remember, early diagnosis and treatment are essential for successfully managing fungal infections in dogs.